You get to see rats running around.
Hi everyone, it's the lasagna challenge.
I'm not kidding. And you'll see like
He's still doing his
it's a gorgeous
over there.
It'd be great if you came to New York. How fun is that?
I put mine in the oven. The oven is at 400 degrees.
You know what I mean?
It kind of is.
You know the first
This is Parmesan. So there he's still doing his challenge. He had the music going for his challenge. This goes in the mic in the freezer. We have some Texas toast. It says New York Bakery, but Texas toast. So we put 2 of these in the oven too.
Thank you. Aren't you hot?
Always. Why do you think I'm happy? Jeez.
No big.
That's the key.
If I ever want my air conditioner, I got that cold.
There's a big piece of carrot.
Oh my god.
Freaking me out.
He's unbelievable, this guy. He's like a samurai warrior. Are you a ninja?
I love New York. The energy, the people, the vibe, it's so different. I love it here.
Look at this person's boots.
Oh my god. She makes Cam look like Tiny Tim.
Okay. So cooking with Tiss, y'all. He is still finishing up his lasagna. He's got he got chips on it.
So
He's just got a lot going on with his lasagna. He's got these chips. And I kind of like these actually. I'm going to munch on some of these.
Can I say the bush is gonna whoop your touch?
So we're all making signs.
I haven't had these in a long time.
I just have in the back of my mind, I really hope I didn't burn any bridges. I really hope I didn't make a bad business decision by coming here.
Don't like to eat too much processed foods. Hey!
You out. So after the
Excuse me.
you'll come out after the finale, and I'll send you out. And I'll do my
It's so cool to sit backstage and just kind of watch it all happening. It's so exciting. It's so glamorous. Models, reporters, designers, makeup, hair. And then it's fun.
I actually love it here. It's so different than LA. Maybe I don't know how you made it. I'm not made it. I just keep making it here. Good. I mean, I'm 24 years old. What am I gonna do?
Watching all this and being all of it around me and how every little aspect of it works, it just makes me really excited. It's like, I want to learn how to do that. I want to learn how to be involved in all this more. Season opener for the Saints, it just the whole energy in the Superdome is magical. Half the people in there have on Bush jerseys with his number on it. And kind of walk by and I'm like, wow, that's my boyfriend that everyone's cheering for.
Reggie scored the winning touchdown.
This was so amazing. I'm so glad I came to support Reggie, and I just can't wait to see him after camp.
Like special bonus sex after he wins a game.
The peak of my day was that you guys won, and Reggie got the winning touchdown. That was really exciting for me to witness. So proud of you.
Spending time in New Orleans has made me realize that I've been putting my career as my number one priority, and it's Reggie that needs to be my number one priority. He makes me happy. And in order for all of this to keep on going the way it's going, I need to kind of switch gears a little bit and balance everything out.
Let's toast to the Saints that they have the most amazing season, injury-free.